Miss, I want to ban and kill her king round there. I want 6-6, please. Please. Yes, sir.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just have it myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God they make me glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just have it myself and some more that please them.
They are just reach barber shop, you know what I mean? Glamour my place.
A must, you know? Girls them A+, you see it? It's a must.
It's a must. Yeah, right now we're there. Get a quick haircut, you know what I mean? Come here, tell them so Florida not going too good, you know. Haircut something there.
I know so what they may have to make a link you and find out which part they down there.
What lot of them?
Yeah, my family down there in Merrimar and all that, you know.
Right near this over there.
Cousin are cut up in Hollywood and thing, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Original all-star, you know. Look a grape on the chin still, sometimes we keep it smooth, you know. Endorsing, you know. Endorsing. Yo. Glad to have them in the podcast.
So right now my day Pink just give me a link. Pink just scoop me from the barber shop. Probably gonna link me like a Chinese friend today. I'm not too sure about that yet. You know what I mean? I'm bringing her along and make her see what I go on. Because today in New York, today hot. Out of the hot, I'm not telling a lie. Outside I burn up. Yeah, man, me still wish somebody come to New York when snow fall, because I miss snow. I want to feel cold. I don't like the heat, because if you left from Florida, if you come to New York and still summer, it's like defeats the purpose, you know what I mean? I come to New York because I want cold. Yeah, but we have a couple video plan again. Me don't tell you say yo, follow the LTS channels. Let me say channels. Follow the LTS channel because we have a couple video where we are gonna drop this week on it. You can type in LTS on YouTube or Laughter Success. Remember, this I go have all of the video them, and this I go keep all of the vlog them. Me I go have behind the scenes of the video set them phone up on this same way. So it's a win-win, you know what I mean? Do the video, drop it on the LTS page, do the vlog and behind the scene, and drop it on the page. Yeah. We have a couple things planned today, man. We have a couple things planned. So I can go on and then we link up back. So I go check in back with my J's. Big up on yourself. Yeah, remember, somebody just ordered one. You know what I mean? Me single but don't tell my girl. So we are about to print out the label, put the label to it, then go post office and mail it out. So on the package up on the way. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, we are work with up on time, up on schedule. See everything official, you know. And a laughing matter and a joking matter and everything official. So remember, if you want shirts like these, DM Laughter Success. So this is it. These are the Instagram. DM Laughter Success or DM AO Pink. You know what I mean? AO_Pink for Instagram. And you're gonna make sure you get your shirt. If you order your shirt today, you'll get it tomorrow. So just know that. Alright? Yeah, the shirt you're gonna ship off right now. How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
How was your day?
My day is perfect.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
So right now we're there. They up on the road. Pink there.
I'm blind man, we can't even see right now.
Yo, his son are over the drive. Cause you wanna see that's what me run from his shadow, you know.
Brazilian.
Be a Brazilian over this, but right now we're there. We'll figure okay. some smoke or Miss Chin.
Miss Chin, Soaky.
A link, you know what I mean? Years me not see Miss Chin.
Make sure chicken over there, guys. When they have them vegans in the veggies in there.
Yes, she no eat, she no consume
We
meat.
need strength.
We need strength.
No, we
she what? What name? Pescatarian, yeah. Because she consume fish, but she just no.
Because live with that feel.
So right now we about to figure a link, you know? And see what can go on. Nice couple of little kids over there. And so what can go on in the evening, yeah. Yo, son, this son, me when I was also son now that I thought I do a dog. And I what time now? 6 o'clock. And son still a boil. When me say boil, son a boil.
Son last day.
Yo, we feel like a Jamaica with the holiday in corner yeah, dog.
Narrow. What? We have to roll the corner.
Yo! Dad, we have to go in at the place one time. Just go in there, go see when they're selling there. Some shelly stuff.
Remember the factory where you can go there, there's some chicken and french fries.
Chicken and french fries, them say Chantel and mash up one night chicken him today.
I'm going there, I get one enough. Just go through this so that I got teeth out of the
Hey man say teeth out of the bag, gonna think of me teeth.
Yeah, you have to kick up the box and make sense. Say, yo, the box, what them say? What them say?
What you have to do?
What them say?
Kick up your box and make sure something.
Yo, I'm not teach nobody for teeth, you know. I can't give you the secret, them, no, sir. No, man, I can't give you that secret, them, me find it.
I don't know what matter about. We have to go cut the part there. All of this are going there.
No, man, I can't teach no one of them. You reaching up, but I not say it.
You find it.
Yeah, man, I came out for cut.
A boy nice that school. The boy nice that school right now.
Nah, do nothing.
Nah, do nothing. Just up there sit down. Well, him now go school as in him a go school for go study. Him don't graduate for that already. Him work at the school. But him could have done yeah. Damn like sweet him.
Why? Nah,
sweet him.
No, what sweet him no, I can't say it though.
Yeah, me go up there. Oh, nobody no up there. So no make no sense me go up there. Yo, we are got Albany. Right now, whoever's if it's school out, it don't make no sense we even got nobody school right now.
Yeah, no make no sense. Unless them have summer class, summer session.
Me no want to go no summer session. I want to know which college I keep a party.
We got Berkeley, Mercy,
PS.
Albany, Syracuse.
Any one of them, just say it and we forward. Just make you know when a big event I keep.
Ontario.
Man say Ontario. Yo, we going to Caribbean?
Are you me facts?
Me have a joke or two word.
Are you me facts?
Yeah, we out to Caribbean.
Nice well one go Caribbean, you know.
Nice one go.
Nice well one go Caribbean. Me well one go, you know. Hey. Well one go, you know.
You can't hear them people, we out, we coming.
But yeah, we don't have to fix up them border people in my border patrol. They come like dog.
They want to stop everybody from New York to come to Canada.
Yo. Gene kinda like heaven.
I went August, somewhere in August.
What? Towards the end of August?
No man, I think I probably first week in August, I'm not sure.
Towards the end of July, I don't think so.
Cause September, starting in September, full parade. Labor Day parade. So them I have for them. I got that this week. Labor Day parade.
Put it the last time. Yo, what was the last time?
Probably 4 years, 5 years ago. Because the man can't wake up a morning time to go parade, yo.
Yeah, my party from the night
before. The man them do like 12 party night before. And well, me and Pink always wake up, you know.
Wow.
Last time, me, Pink, Chabas, Ding, Ricky Blaze, the whole away, mad out, the whole away, the whole for the whole night.
Last time, night.
That's the last time. In the morning, them Ding Dang say, wake him up. Ricky say, wake him up. Dog, guess when me and Pink wake up in the morning and we link Chabas, because Chabas say, wake up.
Wow.
So the man I call Ding, and I call Ricky,
nobody now wake up.
Nobody now wake up, and that's why.
Are we nearly left, you know?
We nearly left. That's why.
Oh, this is it.
Whole heap of Jamaican, when you see Jamaican float them, whole heap of Jamaican artists are there because them do so much party in the night time, them actually can't wake up the next morning.
Can't wake up.
Yeah man, them have to go just stay up, yo. a do party for him in a day. Remember them a go Royal Wilkinson Park or Queens, go have the summer show there in a day. Then them have to go to Jersey City, come back and Bronx. No, come back in a city.
Yeah.
Then go Bronx.
And them time the BB Kings locked down now.
Yeah.
Locked down BB Kings.
It's crazy.
Wow.
So it's like probably 6 party man him a go so if we wake up, if we go 6 party and go in all 5 o'clock a morning, if we wake up back 6 o'clock we catch a truck, guys truck. You have to dip on the truck by a certain time. It's ridiculous.
I wake up and look like zombie.
Yeah man, when you wake up you're not getting no sleep. Imagine go to your bed 5 o'clock and have to wake up 6 o'clock. That eagle.
Wow.
That weird eagle dog, and that's why the man him can't wake up, but I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna wear this here. I want to go Carabana, that's on my agenda, Carabana. We never go Carabana before, so this way I try to go.
Carabana, you make sure Toronto win the finals. I mean, nah, go there.
If Toronto win the finals,
go there.
if they win the finals,
Me nah go there. Me nah go there. Me nah go there.
Yo,
me love Canada and Toronto and you know, no hate. No hate.
But if they win the final, you know I go Carabana.
Nah, I got Carabana.
Toronto now win the final.
Toronto now win the final.
You see game last night? Alright, 1-1. Toronto now win the final.
Yo, there's no hate.
Yeah, what if I can get
I got love for Canada, man.
Yeah. When now win the final.
Beer things now. Beer things, fam.
Yeah, I got Tory Lanes.
Cheese and bread, fam.
Yeah, I got Tory Lanes.
Yeah, my Tory Lanes.
Yeah,
we make him go on, yeah.
Keep him going. Just low him alone.
Me not trouble him.
Yeah, but right now we just reach with this. Well, we not reach with destination, but we're reaching at the area where we are going.
Yeah, some white people here.
Around here, so the studio did it up this up.
Open at it is far away.
Sun over here, so shine different.
Wow.
You know what I mean? So I got Rachel go get some what is something like cups.
Show them Rachel, bro. Hey.
Got Rachel go get some cups, you know?
Get some cups.
Cups bad, you know. But right now we're there and we are about to go link up and check in back. Cold Stone up, eh?
Yeah.
We're good. Oh, up there's a Casco there though.
Casco. Yeah. Casco up there, so yeah. Backside.
Yeah, we're gonna check in back with
Yeah.
Hey.
You reach up there now.
Yeah, my G. The dog supposed to eat ice real?
It's water, you know.
Yeah, but ice.
Yeah, I cold water that, you know.
Yeah, but ice.
You record?
Yeah.
You don't see the man hot?
Give the man bang.
Man's not hot.
If we give man mohawk or a manly haircut, you give him bang.
Man's not hot.
You want to be friend with Blue?
Lay down again.
What you not saying?
Up.
Sit. Oh, lay down. Myself lay down. You hear me? Be sit on my throat, you know. Sit.
Hey, give me
Hey, wait. Sit. Sleep. Sit. Stay. Get it.
No.
Heat.
Hold on.
Good boy. That's your ear. So right now we're there. We are about to play some Ludi.
Give me dice now, man.
You can show for everyone. You have pink there. You have Samuko there.
Backside.
AKA Miss Chin. And then you have Ty there. You murder any boy in any game. Yeah. And we are about to play some Ludi. I'm gonna murder everybody.
Some dirty boy.
So I'm gonna check in back with you know when me about to win. Go now quick update. Me have one soldier in, one dead. Barrier dead so.
Oh yeah. Them over here staff, man.
One bad smoke are going to be a thing.
Time I go fail now.
Ty have 4 soldiers.
Oh boy.
Pink a win so far, cause Pink have 1 in and 2 there so. And him have 1 right.
2 soldiers there on the journey.
Oh Jesus now.
Look at that.
You don't know what we do. Too much murder in your love, kill too much.
Wait.
Look at me, look at me there.
Oh snap.
One me could have moved and killed her now. But that don't make no sense.
What do you mean that don't make no sense?
That make no sense. Might as well just move. No, I true you know. No man.
See now I kill you for go in front yeah. Yo, if you kill her you sin.
Look how much people there. Them good are man.
No, you mad? 1, 2, 3. 1. Stop.
1 go in for him.
Trouble did they?
1, 2, 3, 4. 5.
Trouble did they? No, I feel much yard that you know.
I think I win so
Feel
far.
much yard.
See me there?
Go on now, Ty.
That you do, alright? Miss, I want to talk about and kill her king round there. I want 6-6, please! Please! Yes, sir!
Come like where you come. Yes,
Alright. Alright, you see? Please quiet down a little bit now. Right, go score a little while.
This one commenting.
Go score a little while.
Box, what are my
The all I'm money.
you can't record that, me have
4-2.
One, I walk that day.
3, I forgot move. Wow, what?
Dead. 2 in the saw. God is good. Watch your now.
have to clear the way.
This dead. How for that?
A pink.
You're not showing that.
Ban him and move him.
Guy your yard.
No.
Guy your
You
yard.
know, must me out. Me go. When you feel me out, me do out there. You see night I come down.
But they're not safe.
Okay, Kai, you can dead now.
Boom.
1,
You see I deal with tire way.
2, go on.
6 again now. All the time.
Alright, now.
You're born over here, so 6-4.
Wait, no. Wait.
Wrong.
They make you come back and win.
No man, remember say it's hard for.
Watch out. Please.
Watch your drop dice.
Conjure up a 6-1. Anyway. And she shouldn't even ban this liquor. Ah, she need a 5. Ah, she need a 5.
Record this. 1, 2, 3.
No, all you need a 2 now. No 2.
1.
Tie roll now.
Ah, that is good. Bombard.
You just a throw 6-6 like. Move that back.
Stand up.
Me I run ya now. Where me there?
We run our one place, run our one part. No
It's
hess.
not
No
run
hess.
now. So well, me never have to move forward.
1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
2.
5. Damn.
6-5
2.
more.
S for Samigo.
I tie you know. Tie go listen.
My youth,
I'm black up your son. I'm black up your son.
Well, I come play for who come second. Go play for who come second. Come on, come something.
6-5 me actually you know.
More come something. Yeah, true. More come at least second. 4 minutes for going. 4 minutes for going.
3.
Damn. If in 2 or 5.
At least you get 2 come
Me
on.
throw you know come here.
Damn, if in 2 or 5. This is in yo. Time me just make you get like a whoop here. Yeah?
You get third place when you run up and down.
No, me up on the podium. 3 people up on the podium.
Yeah, bro, the shot one. Get 2 man.
Rematch.
So vlog world, as you can see, we come out me try. But Sumuka the champion for the day, yeah. You know what I mean? She's a girl, so we make her win something. Pink end up come second after me that try thief.
Did them done?
Yeah, didn't feel like I'm done. Watch him to lean up on your foot. Yeah, so we're there and we about to consume some baked potato right now. You know what I mean? So there. Soon check in back with you know. So right now, we are gonna show now. This puppy is very smart. When I say smart, he have more sense on me when me was female. Him how much?
8 months.
8 months. When me had 8 months, as me see food me start eating, you couldn't tell me nothing. Him actually have sense. Watch this. Him now go near him food, nah eat, unless he hear magic word.
Tell him no. You tell him.
Eat.
No.
You know, you know, we just I say so right, cause you know go eat. Go on. I think I look for Sumuko. You just want to hear the word. Eat. You ain't gonna say it no. Good boy. Go on,
Distract him.
good boy. That's alone you want to hear, you know. Smart, you're Fred. You have sense, Justin Bieber. I don't know how to give him a bang. He call like, you remember when Justin Bieber they have him bang? Every time he just flicking it. Alright, I that me come back for show now again. Me gone again, soon come back. So right now my G's, me about forgot me on my Bex because
Tell me bright.
that's why you win. So how does it feel to be a winner?
Listen, I'm a winner every day.
Tomorrow me I come win you back. People, I fear about that she dry, so she know all the little tricks and the gimmicks about the board.
You
Tomorrow.
can't cheat with the railing them. And that's it once. You go cheat now.
Because alright, when you use
You are
cups,
training reel.
We are bringing one dice.
me I bring me one dice, me I bring me one board. As me reach me yard, me go show me one board.
Rig dice. But now use your dice, you know.
What fear dice and the tie come with it.
Tie gone.
Alright, tie come last night, people. If you never see game, tie come dead last.
Listen.
Yo, but tomorrow part 2 for the game because this not sit well with me. I don't know how I go sleep tonight. I go take a Benadryl.
Why would I go do tomorrow? When you lose 2 times.
What if me see I go win? May I tell her this is a good night. Big up me G's them. So sick. So right now my G's them
I want to Pablo.
Pink in the building.
Pablo.
And it was a good vlog, it was an entertaining vlog. Tomorrow we are come out with vengeance, we go beat Sumuko them.
Wow.
You know what I mean? We
make she win, man.
We make she win.
I have to dash with the dice couple times to make she go on. You know?
Pink come second still.
Yeah, man.
But yeah. So tomorrow we are about to link up again. So I just say I close the vlog, I just edit this and I'm gonna get here morning. So
I got airport.
yeah, Pink I got airport right now.
I reach Jamaica.
Jamaica. So Jamaica look out for Pink.
I want some fried bread food when I reach here.
That's some fried bread food. You're trying to put no porridge on it like Khalid.
Put some fried bread food and I put some salad for everything.
That's a salad. But yeah.
Breakfast or what?
Pink I got airport now. I'm gonna edit the vlog, yeah, so we can get here morning. So any last words?
No man, you just stay with me man, more soon forward.
We tell him so bait. You wait. You wait when you see the high with the hey. Yeah man, I'm beating a fart, so yeah, trouble there. But me edit this and make you get here morning. So yo, bless up on yourself, big up on yourself, please.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself want some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God them, I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself want some more that please them.